Hey guys, here's my client with a beautiful Type 4, Type 3C combined hair. I'm going to guide you through the process of how I got here. I'm using the Dyson Supersonic. So I'm here using the detangling brush attachment, which is with the Supersonic, easily glides through my client's thick, beautiful hair. So here I just a little bit of roots, but you can see I'm just going to get through this in the next shot with the Dyson Corral. Excuse my lame attempt of trying to manage the styler and hold the camera. Here we go, offset. Right, I just want to say that I primed the hell out of my client's hair to keep her hair looking beautiful, use moisturizers, curl creams, heat defenses. So the smoke was from the vapor of the product, not her hair, keeping her super healthy. So remember, one pass, that is all I did. So here's just an outside shot, just so I can show you how easy it is to get through with the Dyson Corral. One pass, beautiful, smooth, and diffused. Here's my House of Dragons realness with my Valerian hair. But here is another shot of my client's hair looking super beautiful, bouncy, controlled, and just easy. I had all this done with under 55 minutes. So yeah, she loved it and I love it too. What do you think?